Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM or memory tray so nothing shifts inside. Once done, use a suction cup near the edge and a thin pry tool. These let you lift the screen slightly without cracking glass. You are creating a controlled gap to inspect adhesive and clips. Make sure to heat the frame briefly with low heat. This softens adhesive and reduces resistance, so you can separate screen layers safely and see why it isn't seating properly. You now look inside the gap for the cause: debris, warped clips, or missing adhesive. Once you see the issue, disconnect the battery to prevent shorting, then detach display flex connectors so you can move the glass freely. If adhesive is compromised, remove old residue and apply new pre-cut adhesive strips. If clips are bent, gently realign them with a plastic tool. After preparing the mating surfaces, reconnect the flex cables and battery to test alignment before final sealing. This confirms contact and touch function. You finish by testing touch while the screen is only lightly pressed into place. This verifies connectors and digitizer function before bonding. Once confirmed, apply even, firm pressure around the edges to seat the screen uniformly and allow adhesive to cure at recommended temperature and time. This prevents gaps or lifting later. If touch still fails, make sure the replacement display assembly is compatible and inspect the digitizer flex for damage. If defective, replace.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.